We'll guide you through how to use Streamlabs for live streaming. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop. Make sure you have it installed and updated to the latest version for the best results. Once Streamlabs is open, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. To start setting up your live stream, you need to connect your streaming platform. Go to the settings by clicking the gear icon on the lower left corner. From there, select the stream option. Here, you can choose your platform like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. Log in with your credentials to link your accounts. Now, let's set up your scenes and sources, which are essential for what your viewers will see. Go back to the main dashboard, and you'll notice a section called Scenes on the bottom left. You can create a new scene by clicking the plus icon. Name your scene something relevant. Once you have a scene, it's time to add sources. Click the plus icon in the Sources box. You'll see options like Display Capture, Video Capture Device, and Image. Choose Display Capture to share your entire screen or Video Capture Device if you're using a webcam. You can adjust the size and position of each source by clicking and dragging them in the preview window. Now, let's make sure your audio is set up correctly. Go to the Mixer section to see all your audio sources. You can adjust the volume for each one by moving the sliders. Make sure your microphone and desktop audio are capturing properly. Before you go live, it's a good idea to do a test stream. Click on Record to check how everything looks and sounds. When you're ready to go live, simply click the Go Live button on the bottom right. A window will pop up, allowing you to enter your stream title and description. Once that's set, hit Confirm and go live to start streaming to your chosen platform. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.